I'm going to paint Audrey's hair with dye.
Oh, wow.
We're making it a concoction. So we have Manic Panic's Blue Moon, we have Manic Panic Violet Night, and we have white conditioner. We're using the BioTerra avocado oil fortifying, revitalizing conditioner.
You did not. Iconic!
You guys know the drill by now. I've done 1,000 of these hair tutorial, dyeing, bleaching, toning videos, but I'm not a hair professional, neither are my sisters. We just like to do our hair at home because it is cost effective. We get to use the brands that we want. We like to have a lot of fun. We do this way too often to actually go get it done.
You can do it on your own schedule.
You can do it on your own schedule. So yeah, which dyeing is like super easy. I feel like so many people dye their hair.
Especially when there's no root involved.
So let's do this business. If you guys watched me dye Audrey's hair, it was back when we lived in New York, probably around a year ago. No, over a year ago. I dyed Audrey's hair half blue, half purple. I put color oops on Audrey's hair to pull the green out, and then I'm going to bleach her roots. We're going to tone it all, and then we are going to dye it, hopefully. I hope not all of the color, but I hope most of the color comes out. Purple slash blue.
Purple, blue, purple, blue.
Beautiful. Look at that seamless line. Love it. These two are the leftover dyes from that. So, word to the wise, keep old dye. It doesn't really go bad. Bleach, on the other hand, if you've already mixed it, it does go bad. If you haven't mixed it, it doesn't go bad. But, I mean, I'm sure it eventually will go bad.
What should I be for Halloween? Maybe I should be Pit of Despair for Halloween.
Maybe you should be Einstein.
Maybe I should be Einstein's girlfriend.
Or what's it called? Edward was...
Einstein's daughter, I mean.
I was like, Einstein's girlfriend looks like Einstein.
Let's do this like every weekend.
G-I-F. Hey, it's Friday. Wow, your hair's so pretty. Are you sure you want to...
I know. I was too rash going black, and now I'm like... Nothing happened. I'm not even paying for it. It's like, who cares?
It's like, who freaking cares? Didn't learn my lesson. I think you need more dye in it. Look, it's like
toning my hair.
Yeah, I think it's like legit just gonna tone your hair. Yeah, that was a lot.
It's okay, you can just mix it and then put it right in here.
It'll fade. Okay, so we're adding more purple. Purple slash blue mixture. We used more blue than purple, and it's way purple.
Yeah, it was a lot more blue.
A lot more blue, but anyways. Dye looks so purple until I put it on your hair, and then it looks blue.
It's so weird.
Yeah, tripping out over here. Okay, you wanna turn over?
Oh my gosh,
like,
you wanna tell them how we're flat earthers now?
I never said that I was a flat earther.
We're flat earthers now.
Turn. I'm like trying to turn you with my body.
Like, people are like, oh, maybe we're in a simulation. No, but, oh, we live on a flat earth, maybe. What is one of Shane's conspiracies that you're like 100% I believe that?
I don't know, name some.
Do you believe in the Illuminati?
I believe that the Illuminati exists, yes. Do I believe that all those celebrities are in the Illuminati? No.
But like, on the real, like all that stuff about like face recognition and your phone always listening to you and all that stuff.
I almost just touched this with my nasty purple hands.
Like, that's real, you know?
Yeah, that I believe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I gave you gloves, bro.
Maybe that's how the Mark of the Beast will work. It'll be something like that Apple comes out with. And because we get all Apple's products, and it's basically a part of our bodies. Like, our phones are literally always on us. We sleep with it right next to our heads. We always have it in our pockets. We literally don't go anywhere without it. That's basically an extension of our bodies. So is it really that big of a stretch to put something inside of your body or like on your skin?
It would just make everything easier.
It would just make everything easier. You wouldn't have to charge it. And I don't know, it's like I don't think the Mark of the Beast is gonna be something so crazy that like...
Do you want to talk about the Mark of the Beast on your channel?
Yeah, why not?
I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's a heavy topic.
You think Satan's gonna come after me?
Mm.
No. But seriously, I think it's gonna be something that's not that
far-fetched.
Far-fetched, yeah. Because so many people go ahead and do it.
Do you believe in aliens?
I don't know.
I've gotta go close that door.
Yeah, it's freaking me out. Is it scaring you?
Yeah. Girls, come on.
My hands are gonna be straight purple. Do you watch Shane's videos? And if you do, link your very favorite one in the comments below so that I can go watch it, like right now. Also, I'm always looking for new YouTubers to watch. So also comment your favorite YouTuber down below. It took me forever to convince Audrey that YouTube was amazing. She literally would never watch YouTube, and I was always like, you just have to find, I would send her lists of people. Like, you just have to find your type of YouTube, because everyone loves YouTube, I feel like, but for different reasons. Like, some people just watch straight makeup tutorials all the time. People think of YouTube as just funny videos. People think of YouTube as like Jimmy Fallon or interviews or stuff like that, like more like TV related things. Others just watch vlogs. Others watch crazy people like David and the Pauls, and I don't know where I was going with that. But yeah, it just took me forever for Audrey, and Audrey's just now finally really loving YouTube, and I'm living for it. Because I've been waiting my whole life for this. I've also been really into Jeffree Star lately. His videos are literally so entertaining. Plus, I love all of his tattoos. Like, in another life, that would be me.
I just wanted to find a good person to give me a portrait.
Whose portrait would you get?
I don't know.
Everyone, my most requested video is a tattoo video. People message me all the time about doing a tattoo video. And I'm just like, I'm not one of those people who, like, enjoys talking about my tattoos.
I love talking about my tattoos.
I know you do. And I'm just like, I don't know. It's, like, so personal to me. And so awkward, like I don't
like, it's the same, like I love talking about my mental illness.
Yeah, you love talking about personal things. I like talking about certain personal things, but not like
at my expense, but I think we'll talk about anything.
Yeah, not emotional things though. Like I don't want to talk about, like, I don't know, me being sensitive about certain things, and that's why I got tattoos. But I don't know, this is like awkward. I'm not up for being emo, and you're up for being emo. Pretty much that's the difference. But you should do an updated tattoo video.
I think that's what people expect me to do.
Is that a good thing or a bad
I don't
thing?
know.
Is that your niche? Wow, I literally have the perfect amount.
I think this was the fastest anybody's ever dyed anybody else's hair.
10 minutes? Should I do your eyebrows?
No.
It would literally not do anything. I hope it covers the, like, darker, blonder parts of your hair.
Yeah.
This is my favorite part already. Does that not feel good? It's not a hair massage.
I'm not a big massage kind of person.
Me either. I'm like, get your hands off me. That does not feel comfortable. Wow. Never cut your hair, Audrey. Never cut your hair into
Oh, wow. I was like, yeah, I never will either. Wait, what?
Wow, I'm pretty ugly.
You mean I couldn't be Joan of Arc for Halloween? / Natalie Portman?
Better not. I'm gonna title this the hair ASMR. More people will click on it. I want you to know. Okay, she's gonna let that sit on her head for like maybe an hour, maybe 4 hours. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Wash it out at 11.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. Wash it out at 10. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and it looks a little more blue than it did earlier.
Oh no.
Ew, they cannot see me.
Whoa! Did it change?
Yeah, it literally did.
Mood ring. What mood am I in?
It's pretty stinking blue.
I'm gonna go take a shower and then we'll see what it looks like.
It's weird because it like looks more purple in the viewfinder. In real life, it looks bright blue, you guys.
I'm freezing.
Okay, go take a shower. Yes, girl. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love. It's gonna look so good when it dries. I'm excited.
I hope so.
I sure hope it does. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day. Audrey's hair is dry and it looks amazing. I don't know how this happens to us because we literally have no idea what we're doing, and it's very apparent. And we mixed dark blue, dark purple, and white conditioner, and we got this hair color. How? It looks so good. Honestly, the key to having cool hair is not caring what it turns out like and not having too specific of an idea in mind, because I feel like you can get let down really easily with your hair if you're like, I want it exactly like this photo, and it's not ever going to turn out like that because everyone's hair absorbs color differently. So the key is to just be satisfied and to be happy. And sometimes your hair doesn't look great. Like sometimes my hair turns out like different colors. Like right here, it's like a little bit more blue than like the top. And then the top is like super gray, and then the bottom is like more white. But like I like it. Like I'm not super picky. I kind of like the like I did my hair at home look. kind of trashy a little bit. I like it. So yeah, let's go look at Audrey's hair now. Oh, honey, baby, it looks so good. So apparently dark purple and dark blue equals this in our world. You look like someone. I can't put my finger on who you look like.
Also, I'm rocking the middle part again. I don't know how I feel about it.
It's not a Smurf, but it's like something like that. That's like this color of hair. It's like a cartoon that I'm thinking of. Like a Disney cartoon, maybe? Do you not know what I'm talking about? You look like someone. Who do you look like? You guys, tell me who she looks like. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah!
I did miss having colored hair.
It's so pretty. You look so good with pastels. Thank you! Cheers to the freaking blue hair. You love it, you love it, you love it, you love it, you love it. We love it. So that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I like doing these like sleepover slash hair dyeing videos that are super casual, kind of like a vlog. So if you guys like this type of video, give it a thumbs up and we will do more like, I don't know what else to call it, but it's like sleepover, like come chill at our house while we just do fun girly things. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.